Wih, rasa sedap sangat ni. This is so good. Hi everyone, welcome back to Suji Cakes. I'm Farah from Suji Cakes and I'm so happy to be back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be making my all-time favorite dark chocolate brownies. I've made trays and trays of these brownies and I've made a fair amount of money by just selling these brownies. And here in Malaysia, I know people who've made 4 figures income, even 5 figures income by just selling brownies. So today's recipe is super easy, and maybe for those of you who would like to start your own bakery business, maybe you can start by selling these brownies. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, we will need 300 grams of dark chocolate compound. I've chopped them up, so this is how it looks like. About 1 cup of butter, that will be 250 grams of butter, 1 block. So the easiest way is just to buy 1 block of butter, and there we have it, 250 grams. Instant coffee powder, or you can even use espresso powder, but since I'm at home, I'm gonna be using instant coffee powder. Custard sugar, this is about 1 cup of custard sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, about 5 whole eggs, and then we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then about 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour. So right now, I'm gonna double boil my chocolate, my butter, and also my coffee powder. To double boil, I use a pot. You wanna fill it in with a little bit of water, and then you wanna place your bowl on top of your pot. The main focus here is to make sure the water does not reach your bowl. You want to double boil and melt your chocolate using the steam from the water itself. So I have a pot with water inside, just a little bit. I have a metal bowl on top, and right now putting in my chocolate. Also my instant coffee powder. So right now I'm gonna take this to the stove and start double boiling my chocolates, my butter, and also my coffee powder. Let's go. So right now you can see the butter and the chocolate are slowly melting. So our chocolate mixture is already melted. So right now I'm gonna put this aside, let it cool for a bit while we mix our dry ingredients. For our dry ingredients mixture, we have all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add in cocoa powder and salt. Give it a good mix. Let's take our chocolate mixture, and I've changed the wooden spoon into a whisk. First of all, I'm gonna put in custard sugar and give it a good whisk. Next up, I'm gonna add my brown sugar and whisk it up. And then I'm gonna be putting some eggs. I'm gonna put 1 by 1. And once you've added in the egg, make sure you quickly whisk it, because the mixture is a little bit warm. You don't want to cook the egg in the brownie mixture. Next, I'm gonna add in the vanilla. Right now, we're gonna combine the wet ingredients and also the dry ingredients. I'm gonna be using the wooden spoon, and we're gonna add the dry ingredients bit by bit. And we're gonna fold them together. So usually I like to mix my brownies until I see just a little bit of flour mixture on top. I don't like to mix too much. I like it when there's a bit of flour here and there because I don't want my brownies to be too cakey, but it's up to you guys. But this is how I mix my brownies. You can follow this method, or if you think it's too weird to have flour all over your mixture, you can just mix them up thoroughly. But for me, this is fine. So right now we have our brownie mixture that we have mixed earlier on, and I also have a 10-inch square baking tray which I've lined with baking sheets. Okay. Now we're gonna pour in the brownie mixture in the tray and then we're gonna bake it. So I have a 10-inch by 10-inch square tray lined with baking sheet, and we're gonna pour in our brownie mixture. Using a spatula, I'm gonna spread the batter evenly. So right now you can bake this baby at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Before that, you can even add your favorite toppings such as walnuts, almonds, or even pecan. Guys, make sure to preheat your oven for about 5 to 10 minutes before you bake your brownies. And at this point, we just wait and clean up all the dishes, and after that I'm going to show you how to decorate our dark chocolate brownies. Stay tuned.
Many minutes later.
So you can see all those wrinkles on the brownies. That's what we want for our brownies. So right now our brownies is ready. It's time to decorate it. When I sell my brownies, usually I'll add chocolate drizzles or caramel sauce because that's how my customers like it. But for me, I like to have it plain. Even if I want to add toppings, I'll add something different, and I like to have more than one topping. So today I'm gonna show you a little bit of a twist when it comes to adding toppings to your brownies. I'm gonna be using some desiccated coconut. Next up, I'm gonna be adding some toasted almond flakes.
This is to add that nutty flavor. You can use walnut if you want, but I prefer almonds. Look at that color, guys. It's so beautiful.
Next up, I'm gonna add some orange peel. To make it even prettier, I'm gonna add some gold sprinkles. So there you have it. I don't know if you can see it. It's fudgy, it's super moist, and you also get the topping. You get the fruits, you get the sprinkles, you get the almonds, and you get the coconut. Let me show you guys the texture. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. Focus, focus, focus. Oh yeah, right there. So you see how fudgy that is? Sedap. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That orange peel, oh, this is so good. You guys should really try this. Rasa sedap sangat ni. This is so good. God, alhamdulillah. Coklat tak lagi. Okay, cun. So don't forget to try this recipe at home, and for those of you who are planning to start your own bakery business, I wish you all the best and start selling your brownie. The key is always consistency, hard work and discipline. I've made money from this and I'm sure you can too. Till then, I'm Farah from FUDGY Cakes and I'm always excited to bake for you.